Do you sneeze a lot when it rains? Monsoon brings cool weather, but it also brings more chances of us falling sick, especially with the flu. With more germs in the air and water, even small signs like sneezing, coughing, or fever can turn serious if not cared for in time. We have a weaker immune system during monsoons, so it's important to take care of ourselves. Also remember, wash hands often. If you're feeling sick, avoid going to crowded places. Avoid outside and junk food. A simple flu shot can help keep infections away and make their immunity stronger. So don't forget to take your flu shots on time. Rain is fun when we don't get sick. Let's choose prevention and stay safe.